Welcome to this new HTML5 lesson. In today's lesson, we will learn about the HTML text formatting elements. HTML uses the following tags to format the appearance of the text on a web page. HTML uses elements like the B tag and the I tag for formatting output, like bold or italic texts. It is important to know that the best way to format text is by using CSS spreadsheet. But since these tags are still in use and supported by HTML5, we will learn how to use them in a web page. So let's go to Notepad++ and start working. Here I have Notepad++ open. I'm going to create a new HTML page. So I'm going to come here to New and click New. Go to File, click it, Save As. And here I'm going to give my new HTML document a name. So I'm going to say text formatting. And I'm going to choose the extension, and it's going to be HTML. And of course, I'm going to save it here in the HTML5 projects folder. So I'm going to click Save. Okay, as usual, the first tag we're going to start with is our doc type tag. So HTML. Now I'm going to add the HTML tag. So I'm going to open the HTML tag and I'm going to close it. I'm going to come in the middle, click a couple of times to create space for the other tags. And the first tag I'm going to add is the head tag. So I'm going to close the head tag and I'm going to come to the middle as well, click a couple of times and come here and add the title tag and close it. And here inside the title, I'm going to give my HTML document a title. So I'm going to say HTML text formatting. All right, that's enough here, and we're going to go and start the meta tag, and it's going to say charset equals UTF-8. Okay, and that's it with my head tag. Now I'm going to open the body tag, and that's where the content that the user is going to see will reside. Okay, so I'll close the body tag, come here, click a couple of times, and here I have a text which I'm going to paste. Okay, and to view this, basically I'm going to click Save All, come to the Run, launching Chrome, and that is my text. This is the paragraph text that I have. 3 paragraph texts. All right, I'm gonna shrink this down. The first text formatting element I'm going to work with is the bold element, or the bold tag. So I'm gonna come before the earth and put B for bold and close the bold tag. All right, and basically the bold tag makes the text bold. And to view this, I'm gonna click Ctrl S to save. All right, go back to my page and refresh it, and when I refresh it, you will see the earth is going to have a bold text instead of just a simple text like that. And there it is. Okay, I'm gonna shrink this down, and I'm gonna come here to Venice before it, and I'm gonna put the letter I, which stands for italic, and close it. And basically what it is going to do is going to have this Venice italicized. So I'm gonna again press Ctrl S to save it and go back to my page, and once I click here to refresh it, this Venice here will be italicized. So let me refresh it, and there it is. Good. All right, What I'm going to do to this one here, solar system, I'm going to come here and say strong, and that's another text formatting element. The strong element is another text formatting, HTML text formatting, and I'm gonna close it, strong. All right, let me press Ctrl S, go back to my page, and once I refresh it, I should see the solar system here turn into a strong text. Let's see how it looks like. Refresh, and there it is. Actually, it looks just like the bold. All right, I'm gonna come here where it says moons, and I'm gonna put M for emphasized, and close it. Same thing, I'm gonna press Ctrl S, go back here. When I refresh, let's take a look how the moons will look like. And moons now is emphasized, and it looks just like the italic. Now the question that comes, if the bold and the strong and the I tag, which is the italic tag, and the EM tag, which is the emphasized tag, are identical in terms of presentation, so why we have two elements that do the same thing in HTML? According to the W3 schools, the B tag, which is the bold tag, defines a bold text without any extra importance, but the strong tag defines strong text with added semantic strong importance, meaning it's good for the search engines and the browsers. Basically, the B is just for presentation, but the strong is more than that, is presentation plus addition importance. It helps with the browser and the search engine. That's what the W3 school says, and basically that's their definition for this, because as far as the user is concerned, they look the same. And that the same applies when it comes to the I element, which is italic, and the EM element for emphasized. The same applies there. As far as presentation, they look the same, but in the background for the web browser and for the search engine, this strong and emphasized element, they have some extra importance. All right, let's close this or shrink it down and come here, and now I'm going to use another text formatting element. I'm gonna come here to asteroids, and I'm gonna say mark, and I'm gonna come here and close it. I'm gonna click Ctrl S, go back to my page, and when I refresh, let's take a look how the asteroids would look like. And there it is, it's highlighted. So the mark element is to highlight a text. The last HTML text formatting element we're going to use in this lesson is the deleted element. All right, and I'm gonna come here and close it. And let's press Ctrl S to save it, go back to our page, and when I refresh, let's see what's gonna happen to planets. And there it is. So this is to represent a range of text that has been deleted from a document. So whenever we use the deleted element, we are basically saying that this text has been deleted from the document. With this, we come to the end of this lesson. I would like to thank you for watching, and you have a good day.